Ever wondered how to navigate the process of checking your green card results? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we delve into a comprehensive guide on how to find out if your dreams of living in the United States are about to come true. First, let's set the stage. Every year, the United States Department of State organizes the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, commonly known as the Green Card Lottery. Millions of hopeful entrants around the globe await the results, eager to see if they've been granted the opportunity to live and work in the U.S. So how does one check these all-important results? Step 1. Mark your calendar. Results are typically released in May of the year following your application. This is the time to check your status. Step 2. Head to the official website. The only official source of information and the only place to check your status is the U.S. Department of State's Electronic Diversity Visa Entrant Status Check site. Please be cautious of fraudulent websites claiming to provide your results. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You'll need your confirmation number, family name, and year of birth. It's crucial to keep these details safe and handy. Step 4. Validate your status. After entering your details, click Submit to view your status. Remember, the process is free, and all information about the result is available only through the official website. Now, let's discuss 3 crucial things to watch out for when checking your green card results. Firstly, beware of scams. Fraudsters often pose as government officials to extract money or personal information. Remember, the U.S. government will never ask you to transfer money to receive your green card. Secondly, keep your confirmation number. This unique number is your only way to check your status. Losing it could mean losing your chance to verify your result. Lastly, patience is key. The website may experience high traffic volumes, especially on the day of the result release. If you can't access your results immediately, don't panic. Wait and try again later. In summary, checking your green card results involves waiting until May, visiting the official website, entering your credentials, and validating your status. Be cautious of scams, safeguard your confirmation number, and exercise patience during this process. And with that, you're now equipped with the knowledge to successfully check your green card results. Here's to hoping your American dream comes true.